Buying a sewing machine is only half the battle. If your table shakes, doesn't have enough workspace, or leaves your supplies scattered everywhere, sewing quickly becomes frustrating. The right sewing table can completely change how comfortable and organized your projects feel. In today's video, we're counting down 7 of the best sewing machine tables available right now. Whether you have a tiny apartment, a dedicated craft room, or simply want a cleaner and more efficient setup, there's something here for every type of sewist. Let's begin with number 7. Number 7, Weaver Sewing Table. If you're looking for a sewing table that offers plenty of storage without taking over the entire room, the Weaver Sewing Table is a strong place to start. It combines a generous work surface with practical storage, making it suitable for everything from everyday sewing to larger craft projects. One of its biggest highlights is the adjustable sewing machine platform. You can set the shelf to match the height of your machine so fabric moves smoothly across the tabletop. The foldable side shelf gives you extra room whenever you're working with larger pieces of fabric, then folds away to save space afterward. Storage is another area where this table shines. You get 3 utility drawers, an open shelf, and additional storage areas that help keep thread, scissors, measuring tape, and fabric neatly organized instead of spread across your workspace. The carbon steel frame provides solid support, and adjustable foot pads help keep the table stable even if your floor isn't perfectly level. Most buyers praise the sturdy construction, simple assembly process, and excellent value. A few users mentioned that aligning the adjustable sewing platform takes some patience during setup, but once assembled, they were very happy with the overall performance. Number 6, Vivid Wood Sewing Table. If you prefer a clean, modern design with an adjustable sewing platform, the Vivid Wood Sewing Table is another excellent option. Its spacious tabletop gives you plenty of room to work, while the foldable side shelf creates additional space whenever you need it. Underneath, a large lower shelf keeps fabric, sewing accessories, or even storage bins neatly organized without getting in the way of your legs. The adjustable machine platform accommodates different sewing machine heights and also doubles as a convenient place for a laptop when you're not sewing. The steel frame and engineered wood construction create a sturdy work surface, while 4 adjustable floor levelers help reduce wobbling on uneven floors. Many owners commented on how simple the assembly process was, with several completing it in under an hour. Users also appreciated the sturdy feel and comfortable working height. A small number noticed minor vibration while sewing at higher speeds, but most agreed it wasn't enough to affect everyday use. Number 5. WLLPNG Folding Sewing Table with Storage and Power Outlet. If you're constantly plugging in your sewing machine, lamp, phone, or tablet, this table adds a feature that immediately stands out. The built-in charging station includes 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, making it easy to power multiple devices without running extension cords across your room. Beyond the charging station, this folding table also works well for keeping supplies organized. Hidden storage compartments and shelving provide space for thread, needles, scissors, and other essentials while keeping everything tucked neatly away. When you're finished sewing, the table folds into a compact cabinet, making it an excellent choice for apartments or shared spaces. 5 caster wheels allow you to move it easily, while 2 locking wheels keep everything securely in place during use. Although customer reviews are still limited, buyers have been very positive, especially praising the overall build quality, compact design, and the convenience of the integrated power outlets. Number 4. Vivid Wood Folding Sewing Table. If maximizing storage in a small space is your priority, the Vivid Wood Folding Sewing Table deserves a close look. This cabinet-style design transforms from a compact storage unit into a spacious sewing station in just a few moments. Inside, you'll find dedicated compartments, storage bins, shelving, and multiple peg holders that keep your sewing supplies organized and within easy reach. The expandable tabletop gives you much more working space than you'd expect from its compact footprint. Once your project is finished, everything folds neatly back into a cabinet that looks clean and simple in almost any room. Customers consistently praised its thoughtful storage layout, sturdy construction, and smooth folding design. Several reviewers mentioned it was the perfect solution for apartments and smaller sewing areas. Some noted the caster installation required a little extra effort during assembly, but overall satisfaction remained very high. Number 3. A Vawing folding sewing table with adjustable tabletop and foldable side shelf. For sewists who own lots of accessories, the Avawing folding sewing table offers one of the most organized storage systems in this entire roundup. Besides the adjustable sewing machine platform, you get 2 large fabric drawers, fabric storage pouches, a 20-spool thread rack, a bottom shelf, and a foldable side workspace. That means nearly every sewing tool has its own dedicated place. The manually adjustable platform supports different sewing machine sizes while helping create a more comfortable sewing position. Its powder-coated metal frame and adjustable floor levelers also provide dependable stability. The large tabletop makes quilting, crafting, writing, or even computer work equally comfortable, making this table more versatile than many sewing-only workstations. Owners appreciated the generous storage capacity, straightforward assembly, and excellent overall value. The only recurring complaint was that the thread spool holders were slightly too wide for some standard spools. Number 2. Sew Ready Pivot Sewing Table with Swing-Out Storage Panel. If you're shopping for your very first sewing table or simply need something compact, affordable, and functional, the Sew Ready Pivot Sewing Table is definitely worth considering. Its biggest advantage is the adjustable sewing platform with 6 height positions, allowing your sewing machine to sit nearly flush with the tabletop for smoother fabric handling and better posture while sewing. The swing-out storage panel includes 2 metal baskets and 4 hooks that keep your most frequently used tools nearby without taking up valuable tabletop space. Because of its compact footprint, it's an excellent fit for bedrooms, apartments, or smaller hobby rooms, and when you're not sewing, it works just as well as a computer desk or writing station. Many customers praise the easy assembly, clearly labeled parts, and surprisingly sturdy construction. Some users noticed a small amount of side-to-side movement while sewing, but for its price and size, most felt it delivered excellent value. Number 1. Best Choice Products. Large folding sewing table. Taking the top spot is the Best Choice Products. Large folding sewing table, because it offers one of the best combinations of workspace, storage, durability, and versatility. This table is designed to keep nearly every sewing essential organized. It features peg rows, storage trays, interior shelving, adjustable cabinet shelves, and a spacious tabletop that comfortably accommodates larger sewing projects. Once you're finished sewing, everything folds into an attractive side table that blends easily into your living space. Lockable caster wheels make moving it simple, while magnetic door locks help keep everything secure during transport. Its sturdy MDF construction, metal hinges, and generous weight capacity give it a solid feel that's built for regular use. Owners consistently praise the quality, detailed instructions, and excellent storage options. Many appreciated being able to fold the cabinet closed and roll it out of the way after sewing. While assembly takes time and is easier with 2 people, buyers overwhelmingly felt the finished product was well worth the effort. Those are our picks for the best sewing machine tables available right now. Whether you're looking for a compact folding cabinet, an adjustable workstation, or a feature-packed table with built-in storage and charging ports, there's an option here to fit your sewing style and your available space. If one of these tables caught your attention, you'll find links to each model in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.